Wheel aligner for trucks. Model selection. Information in the database is arranged as a tree chart. You can select a model by pressing the up and down keys. Confirm your selection by pressing Enter, the right button, or by double-clicking on a selected item with the left mouse button. There are three main sources of data available in the software. TechnoVector database. In this folder, you can find all the models available in the TechnoVector database. Recently used models. In this folder, there are models that were selected for the last orders. Users models. You can add your own vehicle models with required specifications to this folder. You can also make a search using keywords. Press F1 Search. Enter one or more keywords. For example, Nissan Micra, and press Search. You'll see a list of vehicles that includes all the entered keywords. Select a desired row from the list box and press F2 Select. The software will automatically open the tree of models where necessary.